So this is my elevator. I already programmed this into the PLC. So this kind of elevator is for factory use. This is not intended to transport people. So I'm going to show you my logic first. So here, this is my startup, then my controls and my output. So we do have only 3 outputs. So we have an up and down. So this is just one motor, the forward reverse control, and we have a slow. So this is a prescale input, output. So when our elevator will nearly reach its target, so for example in the second floor, it will slow in the second floor before it stops. So this is the use of this. So this is a prescale already, so it just limit the frequency of the motor. And this is the light indicator. So this is an output as well, but this is not necessary. We can wire our light indicator into the control circuit, but we have the option to put it into the PLC as well. So I put it here. So I'm going to show the elevator now. So I'm going to connect this first. So here our elevator is disabled. So this is for the first floor, second floor, and third floor. So this button right here is remote as well. So this is for the first floor, second floor, and third floor. So this control panel right here is I intended this to put into the cabin. So let's just imagine this is in the cabin, and I put this outside so we can see the movement of our elevator. So this glowing part right here is, it means that the elevator is on the second floor, on the first floor, on the first floor, and the second glowing light will be our target. So this is the target now, the third floor, but we can change that. So if we want to go to the second floor, so here it is. So this will not function unless we enable our elevator. So we need to press the enable button. So now if I press run, it will go to the second floor. So our target now, it will be the third floor. So run. Then I go back to the first floor. So this remote right here, I'll show you the remote, but I'll go to the second floor. So this remote right here, I can call the elevator to the first floor. This one. So this is a run button, but I disable this because this is unsafe. Because what if somebody is loading the elevator above and we call it, it will go down. So I just disable this. But we have the option to replace this with a limit switch, maybe a door. So all door must be closed before the elevator will run. So I disable this because this is unsafe. So we only have one button for the run. So somebody would press here because somebody is calling the elevator. So now if our elevator is running, we cannot disable our elevator unless it is running. So we can disable if our elevator is stalled like this. This is not running, so we can disable our elevator. But when it is running, there's no way the only way we can disable is when the elevator stops. So for example, I'm going to the 3rd floor, then somebody would disable. By the way, this is impossible because this is not intended to use by humans. I mean, this is not intended to transport human or people, so there's no way somebody would operate this inside. But for the sake of this demo, let's imagine this is outside, so the control is not in the cabin. So here, for the safety, we cannot disable our stuff. We cannot disable our elevator. So what if somebody is obstructing above or below and we need to stop our elevator? So the only way we can stop that is our emergency stop. So we can put our emergency stop here outside in every floor. We can just connect it on similar button. So we have remote emergency stop if this panel is inside the cabin. So here, for example, going down, then we need to stop. So here, stop. So we release the emergency stop now. So then enable our elevator. Then we can run. We can choose as well where we want to go. So if, for example, I want to go to the 3rd floor, just run and go up. So for example, so this elevator, when we want to go to the 2nd floor, then change our mind, we want to go to the 1st floor, it will go to the 1st floor. So here, then we change our mind. Just the same as well, going up, and change our mind, go up. So for instance, that if our elevator is going down, then we change our mind going up, the elevator will stop because this is interlocked by our up and down, so we cannot abruptly go up or down. So we need to stop the motor first for safety. So for example here, then we change our mind, so we run. So this is it. I'm going to show you the wire here, so you can see. So here, going down, then change our mind going up. So this is it. So this is our interlock right here. So this is normally closed because our motor is stopped. So if we press run, so this is interlocked by up. So going down, slow, then stop, and going up, slow, then stop. So that's it. Thank you.